So this here is called the heat map. And what this shows is where your map listing, which I had a very hard time finding, by the way, is right here. I found it because I literally had to go through every business that had that DFW foundation repair. But when I finally found the one that said .io, it's because your phone number doesn't match the rest of the stuff that's out there, right? So anyways, so we go in here, and what this shows is where your map listing is being displayed or not being displayed in searches. So let's just take Irving. So someone looks for a foundation repair. So look, these are going to be the top three businesses. You got HD. I think we're still in Irving. So HD, Olsen, and then Discount, right? Go back. Let's take Grand Prairie. Let's just go down to Grand Prairie and look down in here. We got HD, Advanced, and then Smart, right? And we can look at some of their where they rank. So HD is ranking in this whole area right here, which means in these particular areas, they rank 1, 2, and 3. Their map listing is being displayed in these areas right here. So it kind of helps you gauge where you are and where you're not being seen. So that's that. And I did fail to mention that I will mention. So like anybody's looking for a service, right? Like peers or whatever. These businesses in the top three map listings do get like 70 to 80% of the phone calls, right? And they think that Google puts the best people up here on top. It's not necessarily the case, but there's even people that want to buy their way in here. Anybody spinning ads knows the value of being on page one, but it's these top three map listings that get 80% of the phone calls, right?